So, para sa next topic natin, relative precision. May na-compute na tayo nito sa last problem. Kasi nga yung ratio of the error to the measured quantity and is used to define the degree of refinement obtained. So, kung na-compare natin kung ano yung makukuha ang error sa certain measurement na pwede natin gawin. So, ginagawang unity or 1 yung numerator para mas madali mag-compare dun sa measured quantity natin sa observation. Pwedeng 1 over 13,500 plus. So, gaya dun sa last problem natin. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng 1 meter error every 13,500 meters ng measurement. So, mataas na yan. Relative precision yan. So, example natin, probable error 0.3, most probable value is 344.60. So, solve lang ulit natin. So, dinidenote pala to, no? Ng so, kanina makikita dinidenote as RP, relative precision. So, 0.3. So, nandito pa rin pala yung computation natin last time. 0.3 over 344.60. So, ginagawang unity. Divide natin ito pareha sa 0.3. 0.3.30. So, pwedeng 344.60 divided by 0.3. So, yan. So, 1 over 11 or 8.66 meters. So, yun lang. So, gagamitin natin to kapag nag-pacing tayo sa lab tsaka yung taping. So, comparison natin dun sa assumed true value at tsaka dun sa ginawa niyong measured observation sa laboratory. Okay? So, next naman ay yung propagation of errors. So, sa propagation of errors, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng nag-add up yung error. No? So, yung term natin, nag-add up. Kumbaga, nag-accumulate yung errors. So, meron tayong apat dito, yung error of a sum, error of a series, error of a product, tsaka yung error of the mean. So, error of the sum, so defined in as if several measured quantities are added, each of which is affected by accidental errors. The probable error of the sum is given by the square root if the sum of the squares of separate probable errors arising from the several sources. So, kapag yung measured quantity natin, mag-a-add up siya to something. For example, yung total length from A to B, point A to B, pwedeng total, yun nga yung total length natin for measurement. So, sample problem. Gaya nito. Assume that the line is observed in 3 sections with individual parts equal to 753.81 plus minus 0.012. So, meron na tayong probable error dito. Then yung pa, 1238.40 plus minus 0.028 and 1062.95 plus minus 0.02 meters. So, require yung line's total length and its anticipated standard deviation. So, yung total length, madali lang. And then yung anticipated standard deviation. Ayan. So, kunin natin dito yung error of the sum. Yung plus minus. Plus minus yung kukunin natin. Solve ulit natin. Okay. So, yung una, yung line's total length. Denote lang natin as yun. LT. So, kunin lang natin to, no? Yung mga values na yan. Yung most probable value nila. So, 753.81 plus 1238.40 plus 1062.95. Solve natin. 3.81 940 plus 1062.95. So 3058.5.16 meters. And then para dun sa pair of the sum, so equal daw sa positive negative square root ng mga ng square ng errors, ng summation ng errors na tao. So positive negative square root ng pwedeng i-direct na natin. So square root ng 0.012 square plus 0.028 square plus 0.020 square. So 0.004 or 0.36 kasi significant figures natin o yung pinaka-blind decimal place, no? So yung sagot natin 3,055.16 plus minus 0.036 meters. Okay. So next problem ulit tayo.